Good afternoon, everybody. Sorry I'm late. We've been out running around this morning. It is January the 8th, 2020. It is now 10 minutes after 1. This is your afternoon earthquake report. Here we go. There was a 4.1 Puerto Rico, 8 miles south-southeast of GUANICA at 4 miles in depth. There was a 4.8 north of FRANZ Franz Josef SJOSEF land. Okay, now that is in the Bernetta Sea at 6 miles in depth. That's close to our proximity of Finland and Sweden region out at sea. There was a 3.8 Puerto Rico, 4 miles south of Indios at 5 miles in depth, a 3.5 near the coast of northern Peru at 19.2 miles in depth, a 3.0 Tropic of Chile at 63.5 miles in depth, a 3.5 Puerto Rico, 2 miles south of MAGAS ARRIA at 6 miles in depth, a 4.2 Puerto Rico region. They've got that 11 miles south-southeast of GUANICA at 6 miles in depth. A 3.3 Dominican Republic at 7.3 miles in depth. A 3.7 off the coast of Colombo, Chile at 22.9 miles in depth. A 3.4 Dominican Republic that came in at 7.4 miles in depth. A 3.4 upgraded to a 4.3 off the coast of Chiapas, Mexico. That came at 14.2 miles in depth. 4.1 upgraded to a 4.7 Mandano, Philippines. That came in at 73.9 miles in depth. A 3.7 according to the USGS and the EMSC, Kodiak Island region, 79 miles south of Kodiak. And they've got that at 0 miles in depth. A 4.5 Puerto Rico, 4 miles south-southwest of Tabalo, TALLABOA at 3 miles in depth. A 3.9 Central Peru at 6.8 miles in depth. A 3.1 Greece at 6.8 miles in depth. There was a 3.3 according to the USGS, Central California, 8 miles east-northeast of Ridgecrest at 4 miles in depth. EMSC had it as a 3.3 Southern California, 8 miles east-northeast of Ridgecrest at 3.7 miles in depth. A 3.0 Dominican Republic at 11.1 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 Fox Island, Aleutian Islands region, 42 miles south-southwest of Unalaska. That came in at 15 miles in depth. Alright guys, that is your afternoon earthquake report. God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe out there. Sending much love your way. You have yourself a great afternoon. God bless. Be safe.